today's list. Got a special episode. Buffalo, New York, in the Black Rock area. We're gonna get a hatch for the LX470, and looks like that we're gonna be able to find one here. A friend of mine scouts out junkyards as his gig and as his job, and he actually found one for me. It's the right color and everything. So we're gonna dig around back here, find the vehicle, and pull the hatch off. It's supposedly in pretty decent shape. It's got a couple bubbles on it, but it's in much better shape than the one that I've got. So we'll take a look for it and we'll see if we can find it. I think I spotted it. Let's take a look. There it is. Looks like it should be pearl white. It's 99, so it should be the same paint code. There it is. Look at that. Alright, so yeah, it does have a couple bubbles here, but much nicer shape than mine. Looks like I gotta lubricate this a little bit, but that's fine. Yeah, this is. Yeah, doesn't look like it'll shower rust every time I open and close it. It's exciting. Just for fun, let's see what else this has on it. Alright, there's your engine. It's been here for a bit. Lots of stuff growing out of it. Somebody already grabbed the climate control, so someone's probably attempting to make it, someone is attempting to take the navigation out to run a regular aftermarket radio or something like that. That's really popular. Alright. I wonder why this wound up here. Doesn't look like it was in an accident or anything. I still have some garbage back here. It's kind of fun to do some archaeology. What do we have here? It's a receipt book. Somebody was renting, looks like apartments. That's interesting. Here's your receipt book. Alright. Quite a bit of the car's still here, though. Pretty neat. Alright, I'm going to get to pulling this off. I brought my tools with me. I think I'll be able to get this off in a few minutes. We'll be back. Alright, we're in the back of the LX470. These are the harnesses that go all the way up to the top. And they unbuckle down here. There's two harnesses you get out. One you have to push little tabs on. Really hard to reach. I found it was actually easier to go through the hole where the toolkit is. Now I just have to fish the cable through. I'm gonna get all that done, and then I'm gonna unbolt it, and it should come right off. It actually hasn't been too bad of a job. Pretty good stuff. Found another wire harness with just two wires on it, and it was up here. There's another one you just pinched and got it out. Note the hose for the washer fluid. I just disconnected it up here at the top, so I think that's all I'll need. I'm sure I'll have it on my truck also. So, all right, got the wire harness out. As you can see, it's hanging down. Pulled it all the way through. It's a little fiddly, but you get it. It's not too bad. Now I've undone the inside bolts. They're really tight. You can't get a ratchet, nor can I get my ratcheting box wrench in there, so I had to use a regular box wrench. I kind of figured that out before I left. The outside ones I can get my ratcheting box wrench on. It's still too tight for a socket to get in there. I think I couldn't really fit mine in. After that, I'm going to do these first. My hope is then I'll be able to pivot it down onto the tailgate while it's still attached to the struts, and then I'll undo the struts. It should be an easy way to put down. There might be an easier way to do this. I'm not a body person, so I don't know. Feel free to comment if you like. So I'm not going to record me doing it because it's probably going to be awkward and not going to work out well. So I'll be back when this thing hopefully is off. All right, it's off. It really wasn't that bad. My plan actually worked. Off camera, I already moved it over to the end of the row so I can carry it out of here. It's
It is not light, like everything on these trucks. It's very heavy. So I'm not gonna go lug it all the way up there. My LX parked out front. So, until another day we get this thing cleaned up and put on, we'll see where this goes from here.